Tray 4B reading 31.5 degrees Celsius.
Noted. The humidity levels in Unit 7 are fluctuating more than the others.
Okay, I see that.
Let's adjust the parameters and monitor it closely.
Maintain current parameters across tanks 12 through 15.
Noted. The cellular regeneration is exceeding projections.
Watch the tongs. Got it, he took the whole chunk.
Jaw width is 15.2 millimeters.
Noted. Dorsal scute height, 8.1.
We're seeing unprecedented levels of activity in the hippocampus. This explains the advanced cognitive functions.
System reports optimal cleaning.
Good. The pH levels are holding steady. Check the specifications on Unit 7.
We're logging the results now.
Make sure the calibration is complete before the next run.
We need to ensure the processing is meticulous on these.
The new ventilation systems are helping maintain the precise conditions required.
The current batch is drying uniformly.
Yes, the misting system is fully optimized. The robotic arms ensure an even coat across the entire hide. It significantly reduces waste.
And the drying time?
We need to adjust the flow rate based on this data.
All right, I'll initiate a change on the panel.
The color shift is complete. How does the saturation look?
It's perfect. Deep indigo. Log the batch number and prepare for rinsing.
We've achieved 70% efficiency on the new pattern.
Good. I'll update the log.
The Mark V units are performing optimally today.
Yes, the redesigned servos improved the precision by 12%.
The misting sequence is maintaining optimal humidity levels, ensuring the gloss finish adheres perfectly.
Quality control check complete. These are ready for shipment.
The finish is flawless on all three. Approved.
Thank you. Make sure the golden wraps are perfectly centered in the boxes.
Yes, Supervisor. We are maintaining the quality standards.
Look closely at the consistency of the glaze on this burgundy piece.
The data confirms the new humidification process is working perfectly, sir.
Notice the uniformity of the belly scales on the brown tote.
Yes, the artisans did superb work on that one.